Hi, I'm Haley with Empower Yoga of Houma, and we are going to play with the step through. So what the step through is usually going from down dog, stepping the leg through towards the front of the mat, coming into different positions, low lunge, high lunge, warrior one, warrior two, whatever. There's many different poses that you can step into. So I'm going to show you what a step through looks like, and I'll explain the different engagements that I'm using to help get my leg through. Starting in down dog, you'll, especially in a vinyasa class, you'll hear them say, inhale the leg up. I actually like to push my heel down towards the mat. It allows for more of a stretch in the back of my legs. But when it's time for me to step through, I'm lifting up onto the toe. I'm bringing the knee in towards my belly, rounding out my back like a cat back. So that way it allows room for me to step my leg through. There's many different reasons why some people are unable to step through. One, they're maybe not using the engagement. It requires a lot of lower core engagement to be able to lift up and pull that leg through. Other times it can be a ratio of things, long arms, short legs, long torso, whatever, anatomy, it could just be it. So we're gonna go through a couple of different options here. First option is bringing the hands down to the mat. So again, we're inhaling, lifting that leg up. So we're gonna lift up onto the toe. If all we have is to be able to get our foot here, that's perfectly fine. We just switch our weight into that opposite hand. Same side hand grabs the ankle, lifts up, and this brings it a little bit further through. And then you can come up into whatever pose that they're calling for. One option that I truly enjoy is bringing blocks into my practice. If you haven't done a whole practice on blocks, you're really truly missing out. So what this will help for, especially people that tend to have shorter limbs, blocks are a great option. Lowering core engagement, you don't have to engage as much because you're already lifted up, so it helps to get that leg through. So I'm placing my hands onto the block, the edge of my palms are coming right there around, my pinky and my thumbs wrap around. So just a traditional down dog, I'm just lifted up a little bit. Same, bring the leg up, lift up onto the toe, knee comes in towards the belly, boom. So much more clearance. So that is one option. Another option is bringing a chair into your practice. I am a big fan of a chair practice, so we'll show you here. So here, we're in our nice down dog, this is such a juicy stretch, so even if you don't need this for a step through, just play with it. Same thing, lifting the leg up, lifting up onto the toe, bringing the knee up towards the belly as much as possible, stepping the leg forward, boom, step through. So play with all the options. They are all very fun, and they will all help you through different parts of your journey through yoga. Some days you are struggling and you won't be able to do certain ones, and then other days you'll be able to do all of them. So just play, have fun, and enjoy. Bye.